You're watching one of the most important videos of one of the most important series that I'm doing for you in the last 60 days to CAT, because in this series I am covering the most important questions that you may have. What should be my focus in the last 60 days? How much of my syllabus should I study? How many hours to study? This first part on your core strategy, core planning, I've already covered in the previous video. In this video, I want you to take you through probably the most important part of the remaining parts as well. That what should be your mindset and some of the most important questions about your mindset. That, sir, I'm scared of taking mocks. I've reached a point that I'm actually scared. I'm feeling a lack of motivation. I'm scattered. मैं मोटिवेटेड भी नहीं हूँ, स्कैटर्ड भी हूँ, मॉक से भी घबरा रहा हूँ या घबरा रही हूँ. करना क्या है? ये जड़ है प्रॉब्लम की. उसके बाद तो नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में a lot of core strategies, core videos, section wise, how do I improve my scores in QA, DI, LR, VRC, attempt strategy. There is so much more. My dear friends, if you don't know me yet, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Kai Launcher. I am the founder of Creatum and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. The objective of this video is simple. Everything that you have been asking me in my paid private calls, I want to make it open, because if these are your questions, these are the exact same answers which I'm going to give you on calls. Sure, that might be subjective per your requirement, per your need, which is why you might need those calls. But then the idea is that whatever there is for you to know, whatever problems which you may be facing, I am already anticipating it. Without further ado, in this part 2, I'm talking about certain very important questions which I have received from students, which I address to students, and this might be a question which you may be having. Watch this video up till the end, especially this one, the point number 3 and point number 7. This should be 7. I have to change these numbers. A very important mindset question which you may have is that, sir, you know what, I'm working in a full-time job and I can study only on weekends. 60 days, 50 days are left. I am at a certain level in CAT, in my mocks, but only I can study on weekends. Sir, what is my preparation plan? How do I make sure that I am cracking CAT a 99 percentile, 97 percentile by studying only on weekends right now, where probably I'm not scoring a desired percentile already in my mocks? Because obviously ये सवाल तभी आएगा अगर मॉक्स में अच्छे नंबर नहीं आ रहे हैं कि सर सिर्फ वीकेंड्स हैं, 2 दिन हैं, उसमें कैसे यूज करना है. मेरा आंसर बहुत सिंपल है, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है. शायद आपको पसंद भी ना आए, बट मेरा काम है बताना कि यही आंसर है. द आइडिया इज दैट, द फैक्ट इज दैट you can't just prepare on 2 days as a part-time opportunity which you may be having, and you cannot just think about, okay, then I'll go ahead and I'll score a 99 percentile. Sure, again, that is why I say take mocks, because probably you're somebody who's already scoring a 90 percentile in your mocks, and then you're asking me कि आप सिर्फ वीकेंड्स रह गए, तब क्या? तब तो आप शायद कर भी जाएंगे, मगर अगर आप 75, 80, 70, 60s में हैं तब कह रहे हैं मुझसे कि सिर्फ वीकेंड है. भाई आंसर बहुत सिंपल है, मैं झूठ क्यों बोलूं आपसे? यू कांट. यू हैव टू फाइंड टाइम ऑन वीकडेज, इवन बी इट 2 hours each day, 3 hours each day, you can find it. Wake up early. I have seen students who study before they go for work. They do that, or they come back and they sleep late, but they study. They make sure that they have to. The same thing applies for gymming, that once you have to do it, you have to do it. The point is, my dear friends, that even in such circumstances, when you're giving 2 hours or 3 hours each day over the weekend, you still need to block out your weekends completely. तो weekdays में 2, 3, 4 घंटे देने के बाद भी weekends तो पूरे ब्लॉक करने ही पड़ेंगे, because mock taking एक दिन होगी और mock का analysis next day होगा. So your weekends are chock-a-block completely, and it's simple. With just 8 weeks left or 7 weeks left, or however many days or weeks are left when you're watching this, your preparation has to be purely from mocks, irrespective of how much of the syllabus you have completed. Your 6 hours need to go into mock analysis. The questions which I attempted, could I have attempted them faster? The questions which I did not attempt, should I have attempted them? Were there some easy questions which I should have definitely attempted? And the ones which I attempted and didn't get right, why didn't I get them right? Could I have got them right, or was it a conceptual error? For this, again, watch a video on my mock analysis, my unique strategy, my unique Excel template to do the mock analysis. That one template is going to give you immense confidence कि अरे यार wait, with my existing knowledge I know so much कि मैं तो शायद 95 percentile तो अपने existing knowledge से ले आऊंगी. That template will give you that visualization. No CAT prep tool website gives you that level of visualization. That is a very important tool. That was the first thing. That was the first question. Now a second question, and a very favorite question of mine, is this thing that, sir, how do I prepare for a 95 percentile? Or sir, how do I prepare for a 90 percentile and for a specific one? Because you know what, I'm not a gem. तो students, what do they do is that they give me a very specific percentile, that this is the percentile which I am aiming for. How do I prepare for that? I have a simple answer to this, and this is a very simple answer, my dear friends. मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको बता ये पाऊंगा कि ठीक है, एक 99 परसेंटाइल के लिए आपको अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 100 मार्क्स लेके आने होंगे. वाई 100? बिकॉज 50% ऑफ द ओवरऑल स्कोर. सो लगभग 100, 105 में आप 99 क्रॉस कर जाएंगे. दैट मच आई कैन टेल यू. और आई कैन से टू दैट, ओके, इफ यू वांट टू गेट अ 95 और अ 97, दैट ओवरऑल शुड बी अ 75 और 80. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच. अब अगर आप मुझसे पूछ रहे कि वो 100 नंबर लाने के लिए कितने घंटे की पढ़ाई करनी है, कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स छोड़ने हैं, कौन से करने हैं, nobody can give you an answer for that. Please don't fall into those kind of traps. I've also seen reels of certain influencers from the top of the top B schools. You know which B schools I'm talking about, the top of the top, or there's just one who actually give that kind of a thing, that you know what, for this much percentile approximately these many hours are sufficient. How do you do that? The point is, my dear friends, please know this, कि कोई भी आपको डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला बता नहीं सकता कि जी 97 परसेंटाइल लानी है तो दिन में 4 घंटे की पढ़ाई होगी, और अगर 97 को 99 ले जाना है तो उस 4 घंटे को आप 4.5 अप्रोक्सीमेटली ले आइएगा तो आपके 99. What are you saying? How can you do that? Which is why my students are rock stars. The ones who've been following me are rock stars. Why? Because I tell them one simple thing: please prepare as if you're preparing for 100 percentile. Then let the CAT D-Day decide how much you will get, because that day, that match day in itself has so many pressures and so many stressors and so many things that are variables on that day. वो वैसे ही आपकी percentile को कम कर देंगे या ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं, पता नहीं. So please, from your end, prepare for 100 percentile. Then let that day decide whether you're getting a 99.87 or a 98.1 or whatever percentile. Please, this is actually real advice. I don't see, my objective is not to comfort you and say कि हाँ, you know what, I will give you a very nice answer of, yeah, you know what, 4 hours and you'll go back happy. This is real deal. This is the real advice that is going to save you. My dear friends, the third question is also a very frequently asked question, and especially अब तो जब 8 हफ्ते 7 हफ्ते रह गए हैं तो अब तो भी सवाल बहुत होता है that sir, I'm scared of taking mocks. मैंने मॉक लिखना शुरू ही नहीं करा है, या फिर अगर स्टार्ट करा है तो अभी 1-2 लिखे हैं, बट सर, I'm scared of taking mocks. What to do? अब इस केस में क्या किया जाए? चलो, I will ask you what to do. Also, what I want you to do is, I will be shooting the part 3 and part 4. Just see it. In part 3, I will be speaking about box analysis, and part 4, I'll be speaking about section-wise improvement. If there are any specific questions which you want me to include on those parts, please let me know in the comments. Also, if there are any specific questions, let me know in the comments. Join me in my free group also, the link of which is in the description. I respond to them, the queries, in voice notes whenever I can. So that is a good place to reach out to me. That's that. My dear friends, the next query which I am asking you is that कि भैया अगर कोई मुझे कहता है कि I am scared of taking mocks, उसका जवाब क्या है? उसका जवाब मैं थोड़ा एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ I will give you. I am about to reveal something about myself to you. Please sit tight. This is a secret which you are not supposed to know, but now you will know it. My dear friends, I am scared of escalators. And to be more specific, I am scared of escalators when I am climbing down from the escalator. So I can comfortably go from this place to here. यहाँ से यहाँ तक I can go. But when I have to ascend down the escalator, when I have to descend down the escalator, that is where my fear of heights, somewhat my fear of heights, or this thing that यार escalator है, that starts to kick in. In the last 5-10 years, I have successfully avoided all kinds of downward moving escalators that I can. And I can say you with utmost surety that if I want to, for the next 40-50 years of my existence, I can avoid every escalator I can. I have that option. I can take a lift or I can take the staircase. So my fear of escalator is such that अगर मैं अपने जिंदगी के अगले 40-50 साल भी उस fear को हार्बर करता रहा और सारे escalators अवॉइड करता रहा, मेरी सेहत पे कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा. मैं फिर भी YouTube वीडियोस बनाता रहूंगा, आप तब भी मुझे देखेंगे. Hopefully I'll still do whatever I am to, whatever I am able to do. My question to you is कि भैया ये जो कैट मॉक से आप स्कैर्ड हो, इससे, इस फियर से बच के आप कहां तक जाओगे? एक दिन तो मॉक लिखना पड़ेगा आपको. द पॉइंट, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, which I am trying to talk to the mature you, not the student or the child you, the mature you who's preparing for the MBA, world, the corporate world, is that please get a sense of which fears you can avoid and which you can't. Unfortunately, if you are serious about cracking CAT, then taking mock test or attempting the CAT day is a fear which you can't avoid. भाई या तो तुम ये कह दो कि नहीं यार मैं इस साल CAT लिख ही नहीं रहा हूँ, खत्म, कहानी खत्म, कि ठीक है यार मेरी existing job, I am happy with that job, I can switch and I can earn, I don't need an MBA, खत्म. Then just like me, you would have successfully avoided CAT for your life. अगर नहीं कर सकते हो तो चुपचाप please write a mock tomorrow itself and let me know in the comments how much you are scoring. Or if you want to speak to me one on one, please book a call, we can talk also, but again please take mocks, no point without that. Moving on to the fourth question, again such a asked question, this could be a question which you still might be facing. सर पढ़ना कहाँ से है, कोचिंग और चाहिए क्या मुझे, कुछ और स्टडी वो सब, भाई I can safely say to you, whichever coaching you are enrolled in, whether I like that coaching or I don't like that coaching does not matter, irrespective of that, whichever coaching you are enrolled in, I can safely say any coaching's material is sufficient. Sure, for mock tests I would usually advise you only 3: CL, IMS and time. These are the gold standards, खत्म बात. But apart from that, studying perspective से आपको किसी भी coaching material का काफी रहेगा, because again even they are making it from previous year CAT questions only. सीधी सी बात है. The point, the answer to this is that, my dear friends, please do not become a holder of study material. Holder मतलब जो इकट्ठा कर लेता है बहुत सारा. इकट्ठा स्टूडेंट्स की हैबिट है कि वो स्टडी मटेरियल, और शायद आपकी भी हैबिट होगी, अगर आपकी हैबिट है प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. आपकी हैबिट होगी बहुत सारा स्टडी मटेरियल इकट्ठा कर लेंगे, मगर पढ़ने का तो टाइम ही नहीं है. बट वो स्टडी मटेरियल इकट्ठा करना एक सेंस ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन दे रहा है कि हम बहुत पढ़ रहे हैं, बहुत पढ़ रहे हैं, ओ माय गॉड एक और मटेरियल. आई डोंट नो व्हाट सेंस. ये मुझे भी होता था. आई टू बाय बुक्स, बहुत सारी बुक्स खरीदता था, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स, पढ़नी कुछ नहीं है. तो भाई मुझे पता है क्या होता है. वन कोट, आई डोंट फियर अ मैन हु हैज practiced thousands moves. I fear a man who has practiced one move 1,000 times. This was said by a very famous boxer. Let me know in the comments which boxer had said this move, had said this quote. वो कहते हैं कि भैया मुझे उस फाइटर से डर नहीं है जिसने thousands of मूव प्रैक्टिस करे होंगे, मुझे उस फाइटर से घबराहट है जिसने एक मूव को ही 1000 बार प्रैक्टिस करके इतना परफेक्ट कर लिया है कि वो उस एक मूव से मुझे नॉकआउट कर सकता है, खत्म बात. योर कैट प्रेप एंड योर स्टडी मटेरियल वोज आर जस्ट दैट. यू नीड वन गुड पैक ऑफ स्टडी मटेरियल विच यू वुड हैव प्रैक्टिस 5 times. जा के सवाल जो मुझसे पहले बार नहीं हुए थे फिर से देखूं कैसे सॉल्व होते हैं. प्रैक्टिसिंग one study material 1,000 times, that is your secret. It could, forget even study material. If you have access to previous year CAT questions which you can easily have for free, practice them 10 times. You're done with. I am making such a bold statement. You're done with. You can't do anything. You don't have to do anything else. That is a complete prep in itself, obviously including mocks. So my dear friends, please revise if you have completed your study material already. And with that, I'll move to the question number 5. Yeah, how do I stay consistent? सर कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है, किसी दिन पढ़ लेता हूँ किसी दिन नहीं पढ़ता हूँ, क्या करूँ. बहुत सिंपल सा आंसर है. पहली बात तो आई होप यू हैव वॉच्ड माई प्रीवियस वीडियो ऑन 60 days to CAT. That would have given you a timetable, a structure कि यार हर दिन क्या क्या करना है. नहीं देखी है प्लीज वो देख लेना and let me know in the comments that yes I've seen that video and even that video is great, or however you may feel about that video. I don't care, that's important. I want to know, how do I stay consistent? A simple principle. Firstly, know what exactly you have to do each day. But there's one more thing. Also know that what are my bare minimums. Which means what? Which means that, my dear friends, not all days of a week are going to be this level, this level, this level, this level, this level. Some days are going to be this, some days are going to be this, then some days are going to be even this, then some days are going to be this, some days are going to be this, some days might be this. हर किस्म के दिन होंगे. हर दिन हम सेम फील नहीं करते हैं. वी डोंट ऑपरेट विद द सेम एनर्जी ईच डे, नो मैटर हाउ मच वी वांट टू. बट व्हाट यू हैव टू एंश्योर इज दैट इन योर गाइडलाइंस टू योरसेल्फ यू हैव क्लियरली स्टेटेड दैट व्हाट आर द मिनिमम थिंग्स, कि मैं गिरी से गिरी हालत में भी अगर मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा होगा मैं ये चीजें तो करूंगा. दैट इज व्हाट माई एडवाइस इज. दैट सेट targets for daily targets And again, if you watched my videos and if you watch my subsequent videos, I'll give you those as well. Ki daily there is a strategy of mine which I use, which students of mine they use, which is what I call them sprints. Study in sprints. It applies to all three sections: quant, DI, LR, and VA, RC. If you want to know my sprint strategy and want me to make a video on it, please let me know in the comments. Might change your life. Not kidding, not kidding. It's that good. So भैया पहली चीज तो है टारगेट्स डेली के सेट कर लीजिए, मगर डिफाइन आइडियल केस टारगेट्स ऑल्सो एंड मिनिमम ऑल्सो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब कभी मुझे अगर जिम जाने का मन नहीं होता है, मैं फिर भी जिम जाता हूं ताकि मैं सिर्फ ट्रेडमिल पे 10 मिनट दौड़ के आ जाऊं. दैट इज इट. मैं 10 मिनट के लिए जिम जाता हूं. दैट इज मूवमेंट, दैट इज प्रोग्रेस. दैट्स इट, दैट्स इट. दैट्स व्हाट आई कैन एक्चुअली एडवाइस यू. दीस आर ऑल प्रैक्टिकल एडवाइसेस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. नन ऑफ दिस इज theory. You have to apply this. If you can't apply this, please reach out to me and say to me, I'm waiting. Please reach out to me. Say to me that, sir, ये बात अच्छी बोली आपने, कैसे अप्लाई करें, थोड़ा समझा दीजिए. कर दूंगा यार, बट करो तो सही, पहल तो करो, आप आगे तो बढ़ो. How, what if I feel burnout? A very simple thing, but wait for this one. This is important, the last one. Burnout hai hoga, because again, one needs to peak at the right time. If you've been at it, at your CAT prep for months and months now, एक stage आएगा जब तुम कहोगे यार अब नहीं CAT हो जाए यार, अब नहीं हो रहा मेरे से. उस जब भी ये लगे ना, 2 दिन का ब्रेक ले लेना. कोई हर्जा नहीं है, कोई हर्जा नहीं है. 2 दिन का ब्रेक ले लेना. वॉच अ मूवी, ईट गुड फूड, sleep for long hours, or just go out with your friends. Do whatever you want for 48 hours. Come back at the 49th hour and start studying again. That is a reset. At times again in gym, what happens is that आपका weight lose नहीं हो रहा. At certain stage weight lose नहीं हो रहा. One reason could be that you've hit a plateau. The other is that because now you're not working out with that level of intensity because you're fatigued. Take a break for 3 days. Come back with renewed energy. Works in this case. So which is what? A simple advice that please take a break. Reduce load. Break को मैंने italics में लिखा है जान के. Break भैया हफ्ते का break नहीं लेना होता. If 24 hours is fine, please take it. If 48 hours is the worst you can do for yourself. Not more than 48. 49th hour you have to be at your table and chair. By the clock. And the last one. Such a commonly asked question, भैया how do I stay motivated? ये motivation का क्या है? Motivated नहीं हूं सर, अब क्या करूं. कैट करना है, पता है बहुत है इंपॉर्टेंट, बट मोटिवेशन नहीं आ रही, क्या करूं. मैं बताऊं, सिंपल है इसका आंसर. मेरे पास एक सीक्रेट है इसके लिए, मोटिवेशन के लिए. वो ये है, पहले मेरा एक सवाल है आपसे, वो ये है कि भैया व्हाई डू यू नीड मोटिवेशन? व्हाट इज मोटिवेशन? Elon Musk has said this. In fact, this is not even me. A reporter once asked him that what motivates you to do the work you do, and he asked the simple question, what? I didn't understand the question. And then she asked him again, and then he said again, I don't understand your question, what you're trying to ask. He says, why do I need motivation? Things which need to be done, period. If I need to write CAT because I've chosen it, I've invested my time, I will bloody be writing CAT. If I have to write CAT, get to a good B school, because at one point of time I got this thought that yes, going to a good B school is going to end the woes and miseries of my life, I will bloody well do it and I'll go there. If I know it is going to change the fortunes of my family somehow, I don't care. Things that have to be done. अभी तुम तो जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ोगे. अभी तुम्हारी कितनी उम्र है? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 के हो गए मैक्सिमम. तो ना जिंदगी में ऐसे बहुत काम होंगे जो करने पड़ते हैं. वो फैमिली के लिए करने पड़ेंगे या समाज के लिए करने पड़ेंगे. You might as well start that with your CAT prep, because करने होंगे. As simple as that. So my dear friends, this is what I have to share with you in terms of mindset. This is not, once you watch a video like this, you can never go back to your old mindset, because this opens up your mind, and this is important. CAT is so much more about mindset than about what you know, about strategies than what you know, because what you know might be enough to take you to a higher percentile provided you are in the right mind, and it's proven. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot and goodbye.